Welcome. Now we're going to unbox the HP Touchpad. Here's the box, lovely box from HP. Sorry, the knife does not fit beneath the camera. That's great. Let's get it back. Oh. There it is. Now let's get it out of its lovely box. Nice. Okay. Breaking the seals. Here it comes. If I can get it open. Come on, come on. Yes. Oop. Let's go. Yes. Nice. Nice packaging from HP, I have to say. There, probably starting guide. Yeah. Oh, nice. And the cloth comes in handy for the glossy screen. And all those paperworks. No, I'm not gonna read those. Here we have, yeah, of course, all the plugs, adapters, probably. Yeah. Oh, what? Come on, come on. This is well tucked in there. Okay, let's put this underneath. Nice. So the adapter for the UK, the power plug itself, or the brick, oh, small brick though, the USB cable, and the adapter for the European. Of course, the manuals. It's basically all that came in a box. Oh, and yeah, of course the cleaning cloth and the pad itself. Now, let's get rid of all that and take a look at the pad. Unboxing time, get it out of the plastic. Okay. Nice. On the top side, we have the power button. On the left side, we have two stereo speakers, or one speaker, one USB port for charging at the bottom. And then we have, this is probably a port that is for the 3G version. Let me see if I can, yeah, see that part. Doesn't open, no. Because I have the Wi-Fi version, and there is the volume rocker. On the top there's also the microphone, and then you have the camera, the front-facing camera, and of course the sort of what's called the card view button, or the home button equivalent, basically. And on the back there is nothing except it is pretty glossy. See, for fingerprints, Yeah, it does catch them pretty fast, and you can see them very well. And in the front, not so much. So this part, I just accelerated the boot sequence because everybody knows that iOS takes a long time. That's why the top left, you see the time running by while the touchpad actually starts up. And now we should come to the full started device. There it is. 1 minute and 55 seconds basically, or let's say 1 minute and 50, be very optimistic. So great. I took the liberty of setting that up off camera. It takes a long time to, it doesn't take a long time to do, but it is actually basically you can't see anything because I have to put in my accounts, my password, my usernames and everything. I don't want to get junk mail, so that's just the start, and then it restarts. So you see the restart once it's set up. It's pretty heavy though, if you have to keep it straight on in front of you. Well, anyway, I got the HP Touchpad today, which is June 29th. And if you have any more questions and want me to do, I won't do a full-on review. There probably is people that can do it much better than me. But if you have any questions, post them in the comments and I'll come back to you. Or let's say I make a new video, maybe answering some of the questions. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.